Hello friends, my name is Desai Hital, Assamik Vidyalaya, Gilla Party, Standard 8, Subject English, Chapter 7, Poem. When I set out of Lioness. As a young apprentice architect, British poet and novelist Thomas Hardy once visited Paris to surprise the restoration of a church. राइटर्स का नाम क्या है? थॉमस हार्डी, जो एक ब्रिटिश पोएट एंड नॉवेलिस्ट थे। और एक बार वो पेरिस की विजिट करने के लिए ऑन हिज रिटर्न फ्रॉम द पेरिस, पीपल नोटिस टू थिंग्स अबाउट हिम: अ न्यू ग्लो इन हिज आईज एंड crumpled place of paper sticking off his coat pocket. That paper, it is recorded in one of his biographies, contained the draft of a poem. You are going to read that you were inspired by visit to a place which the poet calls Lioness. When I set out for Lioness. Lioness means an English myth and legend. Lioness means English myth and legend. Ki means एक birthplace. 100 miles away, the rhyme was on the spray. 100 miles away, the rhyme was on the spray. क्या है कि the poem comes with Hardy's memory of a trip he looked to a Paris in connections with the restorations of a church. Although nothing is mentioned in the poem about this, is obvious that the poet, beginning with these lines, the poem appears to take the reader on a trip. कि when I set out Lioness 100 miles away means the reader learns that the trip will cover about 100 miles. Initially, the speaker of the poem was lonely, probably dreading his time away from home and comforts. The rhyme was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness when I set out of Lioness 100 miles away, and fortunate teller of magicians. What would benches at Lioness, while I should sojourn there, no prophet durst declare, nor did the wise wizard guess, that would benches at Lioness, while I should sojourn there. Good for what would happen while he was there. The speaker can hardly believe what occurred himself. Never telling what it transpired, the reader is fully aware that this was a transforming event in the poet's life. When I returned from Lioness with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance red and faith emulous, when I returned from Lioness with magic in my eyes. Note that Lioness is mentioned twice in every stanza. This promotes the idea of the time he spent on this trip was more than real, possibly heavenly to the poet. His trip to Lioness put a twinkle in his eyes and magic in his heart. Okay, and this chapter's question answers I'll write in notebook and send you a PDF. Please, you will write in your English notebook. Okay, thank you.